Hey everyone! Party costs in civil litigation can be a confusing concept, but let's break it down in a simple and engaging way. Imagine two neighbors, Alex and Ben, who get into a legal dispute over a fence. Alex believes that Ben built the fence on his land and takes him to court. After a long legal battle, Alex wins. Naturally, he expects Ben to pay for all his legal fees. However, the reality is a little different. Party costs refer to the legal costs that the losing party must pay to the winning party, but this amount is often not the full legal bill. Courts assess what is reasonable and necessary, meaning if Alex spends $50,000 on legal fees, the court might only require Ben to pay $30,000. The remaining amount must still be borne by Alex even though he won. The logic behind this is to ensure fairness, reimbursing the winning party for reasonable legal expenses while preventing the losing party from being crushed by excessive legal fees. Party costs have their origin in common law principles designed to create fairness in litigation. In Singapore, these costs are governed primarily by the Rules of Court of 2021. Order 21 of the Rules of Court lays out the general principles of cost allocation. The rule that costs follow the event means that the losing party typically pays the winning party's legal costs. However, the court has the discretion to decide the final amount and the manner of payment. Various factors influence the decision, including whether a party made reasonable settlement offers, whether they prolonged the case unnecessarily, and whether their conduct was fair throughout the proceedings. The process of taxation of costs also ensures that any claimed legal costs are reasonable, with court registrars assessing and approving them based on established guidelines. Additional guidance on costs can be found in the State Courts Practice Directions and Supreme Court Practice Directions. To illustrate how party costs work in real-life situations, consider a few scenarios. In one instance, Sarah sues a contractor for poor renovation work and she wins the case. She spends $60,000 on legal fees, but the court assesses that only $40,000 was reasonable for party costs. As a result, she recovers $40,000 from the contractor, but must pay the remaining $20,000 herself. In another scenario, John sues his business partner for $200,000, but only wins a partial claim of $50,000. The court determines that since John only succeeded partially, he will only receive a proportionate share of his legal costs, perhaps $15,000 out of the $30,000 he spent. This shows how party costs are not always awarded in full and depend on the degree of success. In yet another situation, Emma wins a lawsuit against her company, but the court finds that she refused reasonable settlement offers and unnecessarily dragged the case out. Because of this, the court reduces her party costs despite her winning, penalizing her for bad conduct. The system of party costs have both advantages and criticisms. On one hand, it promotes responsible litigation by discouraging baseless lawsuits, since losing a case can result in paying a portion of the other party's costs. This discourages frivolous claims and ensures that parties think carefully before filing lawsuits. However, the system also means that even winning parties may not recover all their legal expenses, which can be discouraging for individuals or small businesses who may be hesitant to sue due to potential financial risks. Courts in Singapore aim to strike a fair balance through judicial discretion, assessing the circumstances of each case to determine an appropriate cost order. While the system is not perfect, understanding how party costs work can help individuals and businesses make informed decisions before pursuing legal action. Understanding party costs is crucial for anyone involved in civil litigation, whether as a plaintiff or defendant. While winning a lawsuit may entitle a party to recover some costs, it does not guarantee full reimbursement of legal fees. Being aware of these principles can help litigants plan ahead and make more strategic decisions in their legal battles. Thanks for joining me in this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.